So in this problem, we're looking at solving between two alternatives. And we have two locations here, Southern California and a location in Wyoming. There's some information here about land costs and etc. We have this nice chart that tells us how many millions of dollars the cost is, or what our annual operations and maintenance costs are, annual income, or future market value. So we're seeing some interesting things here. There's development in land, that's a present cost. Equipment, present cost. Other miscellaneous costs. Annual, well, that tells us something different. We're going to have these annual operation and annual income. We have costs and income, and it's going to be 15 years from what we see down below, and the future market value of the facilities and equipment is going to have value at the end, so that's a future value. So we want to do a net present worth, we're asked here in the first question for California, and we see a negative 8.3. Where did that come from? Well, it's a present cost. The 5 plus the 1.5 plus 1.8 million, we add that up, it's 8.3 million. We see that the 0.9, then what is that? That's the difference between the operation costs and the annual income. So we take 4.4 minus 3.5, we get 0.9. It's P given A, 10, and 0.1 for 10% interest, and then 15 years. So we look that up, and that's going to be 7.606 as a multiplier. And then we have 6.3 as a future value, and we see that it's 6.3 times 0.2394, and remember it's a future dollar value, so we're going to expect that it would be worth less than that in the present. So when we add that up, we come up with a net present worth of $0.056 million. So missing the dollar sign there, you always want to make sure you have your dollars on your assignments. So the next one shows Wyoming. It's calculated out here for you. And then the very last question is, based on the two above calculations, which is the preferred location? And why did you choose it? So you always need to be able to explain it. Wyoming was the preferred choice because its net present worth was higher than California. So this is an important type of problem. You should review it and make sure you understand it.